Hello friends, in this session we are going to see about tokens. Previously we had seen about history of Java and then futures of Java. So now we are going to look at tokens. Okay, so the same java2all.com website. Token generally means to represent something, right? With respect to Java, token represents the smallest piece of information. So obviously it should have a set of structures defined for it to be represented. While compiling, your Java program will be identified with different tokens in the code. So for that purpose there are 5 categories in Java. So the first category is called identifiers, which basically identifies an element in Java. My identifier would be my name. So and likewise, okay. So for these we will see the examples later. Then keywords. So keywords are reserved words for Java which you cannot use as identifiers in your code. So these are like for, while, if and so on. And then next literals. Literals are nothing but values or data that you mention in it. For example, my country is India. So here India is a literal. Okay, so it's very simple. Then operators. Operators are very similar to the operator symbols that we use in Macs, like plus, minus, divide and so on. Okay, and then the separators. So this is to separate two different elements in your coding. For example, if we look at here, comma is a separator between these two numbers. So likewise there are different types of separators available, okay, for different purposes obviously. And then these are some of the examples of valid and invalid identifiers. Here hello world is a valid identifier. So let's try these identifiers in our coding. So if you go to Eclipse IDE, there int hello world, so that is valid, right? Hello world is valid. At the same time, if we give space between, it is an invalid identifier. So if we look at now, it shows an syntax error on token. So space is not allowed in between. Okay, and then you can obviously use other symbols like underscore and also numbers and even dollar symbol. Okay, but you should not use number in front of your literal, like 3 hello world. That is not allowed. So then it will show an syntax error like before. Okay, but you can actually have a number anywhere after the first letter. Okay, first letter of your literal. So this is the general rule for Java tokens. Then the next one is keywords. Keywords are reserved words by Java which we should not use in our coding. Okay, so public is a keyword, and then class is a keyword, static is a keyword, then void is a keyword, int is also a keyword. So at the same time, if we try to use int, then it will show a syntax error obviously. Okay, so there are a list of keywords that are listed. Okay, totally there are about 49 keywords, so you can just go through them. Okay, then separators, to separate different elements in your code. Typical separators would be semicolon, comma and all. And then literals. These are nothing but values that we provide. Okay, and then so these are the operators like single line, multi-line commands, and there are a whole list of them. You can go through it. Okay, so this is all about tokens in Java. So thank you friends, see you soon, bye.